Enhancing curb appeal, small front yard landscaping ideas to transform your outdoor space. When it comes to small front yards, limited space should never be a hindrance to creating a stunning outdoor space. With the right front yard landscaping ideas and design, you can maximize your small space and enhance your home's curb appeal. In this article, we will explore various creative and professional ways to make the most of your small front yard. Optimize the layout. Start by assessing the available space and envisioning how you want your front yard to look. Consider factors such as pathways, seating areas, and focal points. Use hardscaping elements like stone pavers or gravel to create defined paths and borders. Incorporate vertical elements like trellises or pergolas to add height and visual interest. Utilize color and texture. Choose a cohesive color scheme that complements your home's exterior. Consider warm earth tones or vibrant pops of color to create visual appeal. Use a mix of different plants, shrubs, and flowers to add texture and depth to your front yard. Incorporate seasonal blooms to ensure year-round interest and variety. Embrace container gardening. If space is limited, consider utilizing containers to bring greenery and flowers into your front yard. Opt for various sizes and heights of containers to add dimension and create layers. Experiment with different plant combinations to create captivating arrangements. Create functional spaces. Look for opportunities to incorporate functional elements into your front yard design, such as seating areas or a small garden bench. Consider the placement of lighting fixtures to highlight key features and ensure safety during the evenings. Add a water feature, such as a small fountain or bird bath, to create a tranquil ambience. With these small front yard landscaping ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and inviting area that will enhance your home's curb appeal. By optimizing the layout, utilizing color and texture, embracing container gardening, and creating functional spaces, you can make the most of your small front yard and create a stunning landscape to enjoy for years to come. Small front yards often pose challenges when it comes to landscaping, but with clever design and creative ideas, you can transform your limited space into a captivating outdoor oasis. In this article, we will explore professional front yard landscaping ideas that will help you make the most of your small garden and enhance its overall appeal. Small front yards present an exciting opportunity to showcase your creativity and design skills. By embracing minimalism, Utilizing vertical gardening techniques, integrating multifunctional features, and incorporating strategic lighting and focal points, you can transform your small garden into a visually appealing and functional outdoor space. Implement these professional front yard landscaping ideas and enjoy a beautiful and inviting front yard that maximizes every inch of your small space.